So it took me a good year, but I have broken all of my SOONSUN GoPro extensions. They're actually good for any action camera, but let me show you these real quick and tell you why I like them. So you should not cry for them or be sad or not interested in these because I broke my other ones. It's because I abused the CRAP out of them doing crash videos of RC cars and drones for you. So that's why they're broken, not because the way they were designed. These things are great. I love that it comes in these 3 different lengths. My particular favorite thing about these is that the nut is built in. I really do appreciate that. My one beef that I do have with these, and you can see it a little bit in these, let's see what happens. The tolerances are always a little too tight, right? Everything, you gotta fight with everything to get it together. But in the end, is that the end of the world? No, they're very durable. They are a great size, much more solid than the basic GoPro ones, and they have that retaining nut built into it, so that makes life much easier. If you're looking for a great extension for your GoPro or whatever action cam you're using, these have worked well for me in the past, enough that I bought another set. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.